how to play Fortnite on Chromebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can play Fortnite on Chromebook. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to play Fortnite on Chromebook, it is usually quite very simple for us to do so. So what we actually have to do is Chromebook only supports browsers, right? And it's not liable for gaming. But Fortnite can still be played via cloud gaming, that is through online website services. So there is this website called easyfun.gg, which is a free website, and you can go to this website. And in the search bar, just type in Fortnite right there. Now make sure that you also create an account, by the way, because you will get lots of playtime if you create an account. Now you can go ahead and select Fortnite Battle Royale over here. Then you can just click on the Play on Browser button. And after you create an account and you click on Play on Browser, you'll be able to play Fortnite right on your Chromebook because we are utilizing the web browser's capabilities. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.